15 Africans of different nationalities deported to Cameroon from the United States of America in what the New York Times has qualified as President Donald Trump's secretive deportations. They are seeking refuge in a house in Elikesono in the nation's capital, Yaoundé.
They are called third country deportees, all right, which means that the United States could not send these people directly to their countries of birth. They have to go through a third country, you know, in order not to violate international law. So these people are coming in from the United States, where they had protective statuses. I must say, most of them had withholding of removal, which is the highest standard than asylum, which means that these people qualified as refugees. But just because they had some bars, they could not remain in the United States.
The presence of the deportees on Cameroonian soil has provoked a series of questions over the circumstances of their deportation, their rights, and the conditions of their stay in Cameroon.
If that contract is there, just as Cameroon as a sovereign country has a right to enter into these treaties, it has an attendant obligation to explain to its people what those accords are, because the execution and the exercise of those treaties affect the people one way or the other. And so we need to know, I mean, for how long is this going to be, and how many people are there going to be? Is there any quid pro quo? Are there any monetary exchanges? And if there are monetary exchanges, how much and for how long, and where are the funds? All right? If there are funds, are they in the public coffers? And if they are in the public coffers, what are the benefits to Cameroonians?
The lawyer on the case, Barrister Fruit Joseph, and some journalists who went investigating the matter were arrested by forces of law and order, subjected to questioning, and their cameras, cell phones, and laptops confiscated before they are released.
I don't see any, I mean, in my judgment, as a lawyer and somebody who interprets the law, is that these people were not breaking any laws. They were here trying to do their jobs, and in the course of those doing that job, they were picked up, and it's lamentable.
Right defenders are urging the Cameroon government to ensure the respect of the rights of the deportees and the right of Cameroonians to information about the deportation of those Africans to their country.